Let's get to know 4 of the best and most powerful ways to fix the error message. The application was unable to start correctly, 0xc00007b. This usually appears when running or installing games or programs, like modern games such as FIFA, PES 2016, PES 2017, or PES 2018. It may also appear when running GTA or other software, but don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 4 effective solutions. Before we start, don't forget to give the video a big like, and if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all our tutorials and updates. Now let's start with the first method. If it doesn't work, move to the second. If not, try the third. And if still not solved, the fourth one will definitely help. First method. One of the main reasons for this error is missing or corrupted DLL files. To fix this, download the file from the link in the description. After downloading, extract the file as usual. Copy all the DLL files. Then, if your system is 64-bit, you also need to paste them into syswow64. How do you know if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit? Just right-click on this PC or my computer, choose Properties, and under System Type, you'll find if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Paste the files accordingly. Restart your computer and try running the game or program again. Second method. This method involves editing the registry file. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, or right-click the Start menu and choose Run. Type this command, regedit. And click OK. Now go to the following path: HKE local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, Windows. On the right side, find the value called loadapp-init DLLS. Double-click it and change its value to 0. Click OK, then restart your game or program. It should now run without errors. Third method. This is very important, installing some essential programs that help Windows run games and applications correctly. The first one is Microsoft.NET Framework. This is necessary for running most apps and games. Download the full package from the link in the description. It includes all important versions. After extracting, choose the versions you want to install. It's recommended to install at least the latest 3 versions. The second program is Microsoft Visual, C++ redistributable. Also very important for running modern games and software. Download it from the official Microsoft website. Make sure to select the correct version for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. The third program is DirectX. This one is essential for gaming. Download it from the official Microsoft site. Install it, restart your PC, and test your game again. Fourth method. This involves enabling compatibility mode and running as administrator. Right-click the game or program icon, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, check the option, run this program as administrator, and also enable compatibility mode. Choose Windows 7 or another version, click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and it should run smoothly. But if none of these 4 methods solve your issue, then the problem is likely with Windows itself, maybe corrupted or missing system files. In this case, reinstalling Windows is the final solution. And at the end, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with all our tutorials.